Chapter 14: Means of Transport and Communication. Means of transport. The different types of vehicles that we use to travel are called means of transport. They help people and goods to move from one place to another. There are many means of transport. Land transport. All vehicles that travel on land are called means of land transport. Trains, carts, buses, motorcycle, cycles, cars, auto rickshaws, trucks are all means of land transport. In big cities, there is a network of underground trains called the metro. Air transport. The quickest way to travel is by air transport. Aeroplanes can go very fast and carry hundreds of passengers at one time. Besides aeroplanes, we have hot air balloons, helicopters, and airships. Rockets are used for space journey. Water transport. The oldest means of transport is water transport. People used to travel from one place to another using logs, small boats on water. Nowadays, people use ships, boats, rafts, and steamers. A submarine travels underwater. The Navy uses it to protect the seas. A place where ships load and unload passengers and goods is called a port or a harbor. Means of communication. When we speak or listen, read or write to someone, we are communicating with a person. We share our thoughts and feelings through communication. Methods of sending and receiving messages are known as means of communication. We can now talk and connect to our friends and relatives anytime. For one place on mobile phones, email, etc. Postal communication. People use inland letters, postcards, and stamped envelopes to send message to others. They post their letters in the letter box. Letters are then collected by the postman and sorted at the post offices. They are then sent to their destinations by land, air, or sea routes. We need to paste a postage stamp on the envelope. The PIN code has to be mentioned along with the address on the envelope. It is a must. Electronic communication. The telephone is the fastest means of communication. It was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. Today, mobile phones have become very popular and communication has become very fast and easy. We can send messages through SMS, short message service. We can send and receive message, pictures and photographs immediately using the fax machine. Internet. We can communicate with people anywhere in the world with the help of internet. It is a network that links computers all over the world with the help of telephone lines and satellites. We can also keep in touch with our near and dear ones using special websites called social networking. Mass media. We have to communicate to large groups. We need a different type of communication. It is known as mass communication. Radio was the first means of mass communication. At one time, radio programs and news were widely popular. You must have heard our Prime Minister giving a speech and connecting with people through the radio through the program Mann Ki Baat. Mass media also includes newspapers, magazines, journal, books, etc. They are printed in many languages. Quick recall. We need to travel from one place to another. There are many means of transport like land, water, and air. We communicate with others using different means of communication. Letters, telephone, mobiles, email are individual means of communication. Radio, television, newspapers are all means of mass communication.